Here's the following problem in Davinci Resolve. I have a video here and that one is on vertical and the timeline is on horizontal. Okay, but if I go here to the wheel in the lower right corner and check this use vertical resolution, and after I click the save button, the video will not be on vertical but on horizontal. More exactly, the ears of the bunny will be cut off and the grass below the bunny will be cut off. So save, and it's missing, and the video is on horizontal. Okay, so why is Davinci reversing things? It's reversing the orientation of the video also, not the contents but the edges. Now the timeline is on horizontal. Now the timeline is on vertical. Now the video is on horizontal. And now the video is on vertical. So why it's acting upon the video also and not just onto the timeline? Well, that's because I have an adjustment clip here and the video itself. And the video doesn't have any modification here at inspector video, but the adjustment clip has modifications, the zoom and the rotation. So let's just put it back to vertical resolution. If I rotate it on the adjustment clip, then the ears of the bunny are missing, as it's visible. Reset it and reset the zoom also. But if I go to the clip itself and rotate it from there, then the ears of the bunny are not missing. Reset. Once again, if you rotate it on the adjustment clip, the ears are missing. But if you rotate it on the clip itself, the ears are not missing. Minus 90. And at retain scaling, crop. So the conclusion is, don't rotate and zoom your video on the adjustment clip, but on the video clip itself, and then Davinci Resolve will not reverse the horizontal into vertical when you check and uncheck this.